In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase font size in the Google Calendar app. This is perfect for those who find the default text a bit too small and want a more comfortable viewing experience. The simplest and quickest way to achieve this is by using your browser's zoom feature. Let's dive right into it. So you'll be navigating your calendar with ease in no time. First, if you're using a Windows or Linux computer, you can easily adjust your browser zoom by pressing the Control key along with the plus key to zoom in. You'll immediately notice the text and all elements on your Google Calendar will enlarge, making them easier to read and interact with. If you find that you've zoomed in a bit too much, simply press Ctrl and the minus key to zoom back out. These shortcuts are quite handy for quick adjustments on the fly. For those of you using a Mac, the process is just as straightforward. Instead of the Control key, you'll use the Command key. So go ahead and press Command and the plus key to zoom in, or Command and the minus key to zoom out. This adaptability allows Mac users to enjoy the same level of convenience when navigating through the calendar app. Now, if you prefer not to use keyboard shortcuts, there's another easy method. Almost all browsers have a zoom option available in their menu. So simply navigate to your browser's menu, which is typically symbolized by 3 horizontal or vertical dots, and there you'll find an option labeled Zoom. You can use this option to either increase or decrease the zoom level by clicking the respective buttons. This is certainly a great alternative if you're more comfortable using mouse clicks rather than keyboard shortcuts. Keep in mind, this approach not only enlarges the text, but also all the other elements on the page, ensuring that everything is scaled proportionately and nothing is left out of focus. It's especially useful if the main reason for increasing the font size is to improve overall readability. Additionally, it's worth mentioning that zoom settings tend to be remembered by your browser. So when you return to your Google Calendar later, it should remain at your preferred zoom level, saving you the hassle of adjusting it each time. By following these simple instructions, you'll have a better viewing experience tailored to your needs. Enjoy the newfound clarity and ease with which you can now manage your schedule. Give these steps a try the next time you're feeling strained by the small text size, and navigate your days in comfort. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tip makes your digital calendar experience smoother and more enjoyable.